Hello everyone, it's Melly. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. If you are, please don't forget to subscribe down below if you like my content. I will be very happy to welcome you into our community. And for those of you who return to my channel, thank you so very much. I really appreciate it. Today it is a very important video for me because it is a big collaboration with 20 other women here on YouTube. All the links of these YouTube creators will be on my description box with their channel and their Instagram, so go check their work because they are amazing, talented women, and I'm very glad to collaborate with them all. So this idea of this collaboration came from Lori. She is a social worker and they are working with alternatives when they have DV cases. DV, it's a short term for domestic violence. It is a very important subject and I feel very close to this theme because I myself had some violence in the past from one of my ex. And so it's a very close subject for me. And October, it's actually a month awareness of domestic violence. So you will find all a bunch of information in the description box down below that Lori kindly put together with links and everything, so you know how to help this cause. So the idea of this collaboration is to create a look that makes us feel empowered. Like fierce, sexy, you know, that kind of look. So that's what I'm going to do, obviously. I'm very, very glad to be a part of this collaboration, and I really thanks everybody for accepting me in this collaboration, and a big thanks to TaraLea here on YouTube because she sent me the message about this collaboration and she invited me in the group. So thank you so very much because it's a very important subject. It's an awful things to think that a man can be this horrible and heartless to another human being in general. So I will leave you with the images of me creating this look. I will not like talk. It will be a voiceover where I will talk about domestic violence and throwing a bunch of motivational sentences to help us feel strong, independent. So I hope that you will enjoy. Please go and check out the other video that my friends did here on YouTube. And thank you so very much for the support. So let's begin. October is Domestic Violence Awareness Month. Every day, people are living in silent fear in their own homes due to domestic violence. About 20 people are physically abused by an intimate partner every minute. 10 million people are abused by an intimate partner every year. 1 in 3 women and 1 in 4 men have been physically abused by an intimate partner. Millions of children are exposed to domestic violence every year. Domestic violence affects every person within a home and has long-lasting negative effects on children's emotional well-being and social and academic functioning. Today, I am working with over 20 other women to support a domestic violence shelter called Alternatives located in East Central Indiana. This organization doesn't just offer a place to stay for victims of DV, they offer an educational support specialized for children to help stop the cycle of DV. The shelters offers education and training for the community and first responders, business, law enforcement, and teachers about domestic violence. You might be asking how you can help. What can you do? Alternatives has created an Amazon wish list of items that are necessary for their services. Please consider donating directly to the shelter off of that list. These items are basic needs like toilet paper, hairbrushes, shampoo, etc. I will leave the link to donate in the description box. I have made it through hard times before. Anxiety will not defeat me. I am in control of my thoughts. Even if I fall back one day, I won't be stuck forever. I am worthy of great things in my life. There is nothing to be afraid of. I am going to find my way out of this. I choose calm over worry and faith over fear. I will get through this. I am willing to create the life I desire. Nobody but me decides how I feel. I am in charge of how I feel. I free myself from all destructive thoughts. I am going to reach every goal I set for myself. The more I focus my mind upon the good, the more good comes to my life. My happiness comes from within me. I am letting go of all tension and stress. I free myself from destructive doubt and fear. With each success I achieve, I attract more success. I am surrounded by healing energy. I am liberating myself from fear, judgment, and doubt. My stress and anxiety is slowly going away. I have the power to defeat my anxiety. I can do anything I set my mind to do. I am amazing. I am confident and calm. I am extremely motivated and driven. I let go of the past. Mistakes are proof that I am trying. I cannot find peace by avoiding life. I can make it through this. Managing stress comes naturally to me. Mistakes are only lessons to be learned. I choose joy. I let go of defensiveness. Being calm and centered is one of the top priorities in my life. I keep calm and carry on. I have everything I need for a happy life. I am at the right place at the right time. I've survived this before, and I will survive now. I am free of anything that weighs me down. I will accomplish everything that needs to get done. I am peaceful and centered. I am taking steps to reduce my anxiety. I give myself a credit every time I do something that makes me happy. I choose to think positively. I am free from stress. I am getting rid of negative thoughts. I breathe in relaxation. I relax and let go of the things that I can't control. I am releasing all tension from my mind. I let go of fear and replace it with love. I am living a calm life. I cultivate patience to overcome anxiety. Nothing has any power over me. I feel my stress melting away. I am strong and can persevere. I am now in control. I breathe in peace and joy. I am hopeful. And this look is now complete. I hope that you liked the video. If it is the case, please put a thumbs up, that really helped me. And don't forget to go check out the other creation of my friend on this collaboration. Sheree the friend, I love makeup as well. And I see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye bye.